It's recording.
Come on. Right here, right here. She can't jump. Alright, I mean he. Come on, come on. I like you.
And then now I gotta show your dad this video and maybe he can get it for you. I mean, look how happy the puppy is.
He wants to be with me.
You have to play with it too. I'm videotaping this.
No, I don't play with that.
Here, give it to her. It's not gonna. You just rush from one to the
No potty trained. Alright, go get Clint. Go get shoes.
Right on.
He's just like fighting with us. So cute.
Yeah, he is. Look how tiny he looks in.
Look at the puppy compared to Cliff.
You wink at me. But come on, I wonder if it fit in my shoe.
Probably could. It's so
not
cute.
bad.
This puppy would just chew everything.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, where did it go?
There's another one.
Go away. Go back to the house.
She's afraid. It's just a big ferocious guard dog. That's all it is.
I know. It's scaring me away.
He's like, there's something in there.
Get out of her. Hey, no.
I think it's like probably, if I call this right, this is going to be cool. I say 9 weeks. No, 7 weeks. 7 weeks. I'm going to ask him when he comes back. I'm like, how old is it? He's like 7 or 8 weeks.
And he says like
3 years old. What?
Yeah.
it kept its youth.
I just never